EMDR, with Natural Language 2024. Phase 5. Installation of the positively rewritten version of my life. Positive trait or vital skill I want to see more clearly in me. Confidence. A feeling of self-assurance. Believing in one's own abilities. This trait allows me to experience having success in life and managing successfully my life. Here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove I have this trait or skill. I have been hired 7 times in the past for jobs that lasted more than a year. I have bounced back at least 7 times. Paying off my apartment. Making a shift to a life of regular traveling to exciting places, helping me have hope in life. Applying Buddhist teachings and meditation to my life. The image I have of an example of this trait. Celebrating in the city of Cerdaniola when I got the hiring call from BBVA. Bilateral stimulations. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Confidence. I am sure I have the needed abilities. This trait allows me to manage with success my life. Positive trait or vital skill I want to see more clearly in me. Being relaxed and calm. Being present with no thoughts. This trait allows me to experience feeling safe, being in control, here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove I have this trait or skill. I have felt safe and relaxed with my Uncle Mirza. I felt safe and relaxed in the village of Fragiliana. The image I have of an example of this trait Fragiliana photo. Mirza dog photo. The second lake of Covadonga being still. Bilateral stimulations. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Being relaxed and calm. Being present with no thoughts. Feeling safe. Being in control. Positive trait or vital skill I want to see more clearly in me. Cheerfulness about life. This trait allows me to experience. Excited to go on with life. Anticipating good things to come. Here are examples of experiences I've had in the past that prove I have this trait or skill. I was cheerful driving down East Ocean Boulevard in Long Beach looking at the ocean. Or when I visited Paris for the first time. Or when I saw the towers of San Gimignano approaching with the car. The image I have of an example of this trait. Luxembourg Gardens. East Ocean Boulevard. San Gimignano Towers. Bilateral stimulations. Positive trait I want to see more clearly in me. Being cheerful about life. Excited to go on with life. Anticipating good things to come. Summary: I am enjoying managing my life, having success, feeling safe and in control, living with joy and anticipating fun times. Faith in my abilities. Feeling certainty in future positive outcomes. Trust there will be positive outcomes. Having optimism about the success of my future attempts and efforts. Expecting joy. anticipating fun future moments.
I'm in Cuba. It is April 2016. This is near Havana. It's called Playa del Este, Santa Maria, and it's very empty. And this is the view. Picture yourself in a place of shelter with the Buddhas, the Taras, and so forth. So blue. Blue and green and blue and... Picture yourself in a place of shelter, somewhere peaceful, where you're safe, like you. There's quiet, there's nobody. Tropical, Caribbean. Then picture the Buddhas, the Taras, and then they dissolve and they become light. And the ball of light comes towards your head, and then it goes into your head, and you feel peaceful. That's it. And that's how it could be.